Hi, back again, we go on. So, we have to cut in the side 6 windows. You can see it here, that's the side view 3. When you look here, there are 6. So, when we take here our thing from before, so we can simply Shift D and P to separate the selection. Now we have one origin to geometry, move to first layer. We need 6, so rotate set 90. Get here an array modifier, little distance between, and again array modifier to get downward. So must look that we have the right size for that. Okay. I deactivate this shit here. That knows me. Good. So take that, Shift D and Shift D. Okay. Object apply rotation scale. Set origin. Object apply rotation scale. Name is cube 11, so we take here boolean cube 11 difference apply. Move second layer. So we plug in the windows that we have finished. So Shift D. So Shift D, place one there. And the same we can Shift D, place down under. So we get the big window there. Shift D. Scale down. Scale up. Scale set. Good. So Shift D to place it down under. Then we take that Shift D, place it there, but I think there are only 2 counted ones. There are 2. Oh, there are 3 and another 3 are 1. Okay. So that is completely other. Scale Y, scale X, and Shift D, place it there, and then simply scale up. Good. Shift D. place them down under, Shift D. Good. File, save. We need them on the other side here too, so Shift D, rotate set 90, bring back. But before we put them in, we open up here the back faces. So X, delete only faces. Now we can bring in Shift D. A little bit too small, scale Y. Okay, scale Y again. Good. Shift D, place it on the other side too. And then both Shift D and Shift D again. Good. File, save. Then we need the roof material. So we give here a plus and look for roof. Here are many. We take 0 roof and get here our our roof there, and assign that material to it and give them an unwrap. You see what we get. That is because it isn't applied and unwrapped correctly. So at first I want to give the material to all this stuff. Then I give them the mark seam complete, and here too. So now I take here and completely apply of that, and then I make here for the whole part, I select them only, so that, and unwrap that, and we see what we get. Here is a mystery. Don't know why it is so, but I'll try again. There's something wrong with it. So I try here from view. That works. Okay. So that is the right way. That is the wrong way. So we have to rotate that. So we go here back to Node Editor, and here we get the UV image editor, and I take the whole thing and rotate 180. So it's right turned. Here we get this roof thing too, and take here unwrap. There it's turned too, so rotate 180 again. That is correct, that is wrong, so that rotate 180. That is correct, that not, so same. Good. That was that. File, save. We need around each window this stone stuff there. That is that one here. So Shift D. So we bring it in front and scale it down. We have to look that it real fits with that. So we can here bring this both over that. Go back. Bring that up too, but with background selection. Okay, we delete, so we have only to bring them up or down or what you like. Good. That we double then, and we look that we go as deep as we can, such like that. Shift D to place it there all over. Sure, you can change there some stones so that don't looks too even, too similar, but I don't do that. So I take them and Shift D, bring them here down to the other two, and Shift D, bring it here to the side, rotate, set 90 degrees. Shift D, both Shift D and Shift D again to bring it down. Good. File, save as, new version number. Good. Then we have here the side stones. So Shift D, bring one there. And then simply scale it up to size that fits with the stage there. And then Shift D 2 times. Good. Take that Shift D and rotate set 90 degrees. Rotate set 180 degrees. Done. Shift D again, bring it to the back side to rotate set 90, rotate set 180, Shift D to the other side, rotate set 90, rotate set 180. Good. File, save. Now this other window is there. inside. Then simply bring it to the end of that and Shift D to duplicate. Good. File, save. Then we should have that stone thing there around our stuff there. So Shift D. Let me delete here in the middle. So only that left. Bring that in front and scale it up. That's too big all in all, so we get here the down loop and Control plus to get more, or make it easier with a circle selection, get the inner part there and scale them simply up, move them up and bring that to the correct set, so scale set 0. Good, we have done that, so we can scale that set and scale X. Then we have that, bring that in front. Here we make an Alt D because we maybe change one. So here we go more down. Wow, yeah, here it's other way. Good. So that one we delete and make here a Shift D because we want to change that to that. Good. File, save. Now we need the windows itself, and that are 3 counted ones, 4 in ones. 3 counted 1, 4 in ones. So we can take here Shift D, one of them, and simply double them. Shift D. Then we have that. Then we join them together as one, so we can handle them better. Then we scale them a little down and a little scale set, so we get that. Normally that is okay, you can make their brown something on there, but I don't do it, so it's on you. Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, and last time for this side. Here that all should be longer, so we simply scale set, and then we got it. Good, we have done that all. We can open up here the bottom, so we can select here the bottom and X only faces. But it don't kills that. Oh, okay. So we have now to open up here the back parts of that windows. We've forgotten that before. So only faces. That's good. So file, save. We need here the little bars. So add mesh cube, scale set, scale X, scale in the hole, bring out, scale Y. Okay, mark all seam, U to unwrap that object, apply rotation scale, unwrap again, give them stone 2 material, so new stone here, stone 2, and plug it overall, so Shift D. Then plug one down there and scale X. Shift D. Then we take one, Shift D, and bring it here to the side, rotate set 90. Okay, file, save. Then we need here this stone basic material. So we get here something with wall, tower wall, stone wall. Here we haven't unwrapped 2, so we must build that. That is very bad. Yes, but who cares? So we have to mark seam all. Oh fuck. Mark seam. Every time when you get around some, look that you get a cut through that. It's important. Without that you can't open that correctly. Complete stage. Mark seam, the other stage. The bottom. But every time look, it goes not complete around, so we have to make that manually done. Here you see 2. That is because of the the whole booleans and such that destroys your topology, and then you get such. Good. And the up lines. So I think we have there a top line somewhere. Yeah, here. Hope that goes completely around. We can see that surely the wireframe mode. And we see that we see nothing here. They are not, but there should be one, there should be one. And I think here is one behind that. We don't see them, but it's there. So then we have here this front parts to Maxim. The down parts here. So then this here. That Maxim is important for a clean unwrap. When you only take this from view or such else, that are some methods nobody knows what he really calculates there. And here you have the chance to say by yourself, I want to mark that or that, and I know where it cuts them. Maybe you look for some add-ons also, maybe there is one to get it much simpler. But then take one that you understand completely to know what he does there correctly or not. that's all what you do here is unneeded. If you can't later get a clean unwrap, then you can't later bake it and so on, and then you have a word count that is too high and you can throw all in the trash. So this front shit there. It's so nervy that it is all so small and unseeable. I hate it. Yeah. Then other people, oh, you must do it before. Yeah, sure. But I haven't done that, so what's now? Later I can say, oh yeah, that must be so, that must be so. No. You do it and then you see what you get and then you must live with that. That's the point. Wow. Horrible. I don't think that will be a very clean unwrap later, but we see it then. Every time you forget some and then goes again. So that gives a horrible unwrap, but who cares? So you unwrap and we see, wow, mystery stuff. Or now we go surely back, because I've forgotten some. I have the roof selected with. I won't want it. So we only have the rest there, and we take a good smart UV project. That looks better this time. And rotate 90. And scale down. And the same with the white, so we delete that simply. And then we have that background there. And we can delete here these yellow faces there. So that it is open. And then we bring it here onto, and that should be the house. File, save. Yeah, all in all, we can let it like it is. Good. So file, save. We have done the house. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial.